Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos.
Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you, a gift I recently received from AMDMG. It's the G340 Mini Nail Dust Collector, and I can't wait to unbox it and show you all its amazing features. If you're into nail art or just love keeping your workspace clean, this might be the perfect gadget for you. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at the packaging. It's compact and well designed, which is always a good sign. Inside, we have the G340 Mini Nail Dust Collector itself, and look at this, it comes with some extra gifts. There's a fast charging plug and a few other accessories, which is a nice bonus. Now, let's take a 360-degree look at the machine. It's sleek, lightweight, and has a modern design. The build quality feels solid, and it's small enough to fit perfectly on your nail art table or even in your travel bag. I love how portable it is. Now, let's talk about what makes this nail dust collector stand out. Easy to operate and high speed. This machine is super user-friendly. Just press the power button, and it starts working instantly. The motor is powerful and runs at high speed, ensuring efficient dust collection. Adjustable suction. One of my favorite features is the adjustable suction. You can control the airflow depending on your needs, which is perfect for different types of nail work. Fast charging plug. It comes with a fast charging plug, and here's a pro tip. When the device shows a green light while charging, it means it's in the best condition. If it shows a red light, that means the charger power isn't enough, so make sure to use the right plug. Concentrated suction. The suction is super concentrated, so it captures all the dust without spreading it around. It's perfect for keeping your workspace clean and tidy. Now, let's talk about what really sets this product apart. Strong wind power. Check this out. I'm going to turn the machine upside down to show you just how strong the suction is. It's impressive, right? This kind of power ensures that no dust is left behind. Lightweight and portable. This machine is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for both home use and travel. Whether you're a professional nail artist or just love doing your nails at home, this device is easy to carry around. Plus, it comes in a compact package, so you can take it anywhere without hassle. Overall, I'm really impressed with the G340 Mini Nail Dust Collector by AMDMG. It's powerful, portable, and packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone who loves nail art. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep your workspace clean, this is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Review Zone, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future reviews. If you've tried this product or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.